Hey, welcome back to the channel. I just came on here to show y'all that I ventured off today. I'm feeling adventurous. Let me see. We went to Walmart. Had to go pick up a few. Let's see, I'm trying to set y'all down while I put the cold stuff up really quickly. Start trying to be politically correct or just correct. Ooh, baby. I'm gonna wait till I get home and get my hair done, y'all. It's hot. It said 106 degrees on the dash, honey. But I'm about to put up my cold stuff, which I only really have a bag of fries. To go with the rest of my hamburgers. Open up. What else did we get? I got more hamburger buns just in case the other ones aren't good enough. Plus, I wanted buns that'll fit my hamburger. But you know what? I'll do the rest of the haul when I get back to the shipper. I'll show y'all everything else. I'm trying to get from over here. So I'll be back in a minute. Alright, y'all, I came back to finish showing y'all. I took my hat off. It's hot, y'all. It's so hot. Hear me? I'm about to come up out of all these clothes and put on a dress. But I bought some snacks. This is like my favorite snack. The Sunbelt chocolate, what are they called? Chocolate chip granola bars, the chewy granola bars. Clutch, okay? I know y'all know about that. I know y'all know about that. Y'all, I'm trying to stop being so ratchet when I talk, Lord. Because I be listening to the playback. I be like, oh, Jesus. I see what people be talking about. They don't call it ratchet, but it's country or something like that. Okay, so, almonds, dry roasted, lightly salted. This, you got your salty and your sweet. This is my clutch snack here. Clutch. So clutch. I don't know if y'all can hear me. I must talk up a little bit louder. I'm having technical difficulties in that area hearing with this camera. What else I like? I like to eat cucumbers and French onion dip. Oh, that's another clutch snack. I got a tomato. I'm gonna cut this up and bag it. I also got some Duke's mayonnaise, mayo. I usually eat Kraft. I mean, just because everything else is expensive, honey. But this is all they had in the squeeze bottle in this size. I didn't want a 15-ounce little jar of what you dip into and whatever. I didn't want that one, so I got the Duke's. I think Duke's is pretty good. I've used it before. I'm making some hamburgers tonight, and I got some oral stuff, some plackers, and some interdental brushes. I need to buy another water pick for the truck. Yep, that's all I got. I showed y'all the bread and everything. The fries and all that stuff. So yeah, let me cool down, cool off. Probably switch into a dress or whatever. Cause right now I'm waiting on my load. It's not ready. I didn't see the paperwork for it when I went to check. So I shut down for the night, and I'll just be leaving here, and I'm in Glen Burnie, Maryland. So I'll just leave here tonight about 2-3 o'clock and go get my paperwork, come back over here and get my trailer. We're headed to Alabama, and then the next load after that should be headed home. But I'll be back because we got to chat a little bit. This morning I had issue getting in the spot as usual to take out a tree limb. Can you see it? Wait. I had to take out this tree limb. Damn, I don't know if you can see it. I can't see it. I see that? The tragedy. I had to get into these bushes over here. Hold on, it's too high. There we go. Had to get in these bushes to get over here. Basically had to blindside it. My sister had to get by this trash bin over here and get all up in these bushes over here. That one in particular, this one right here, I had to take a limb from it. So let's go throw the limb back over there. Oh, see, it's tragic. Uh-oh. Somebody's coming by. Dang, look. All over my truck. I guess y'all could see, because I can't hardly see. She's about dirty again. Po bug. That's a beautiful one too. Look, all in the handle. Take that out. Oh. Anyway. Alright, I'll talk with y'all later.